Hi guys, and welcome to this course, How to Create a Finance Planner, which will track your monthly spending in Microsoft Excel. Over here you've got the Overview tab, and in this column you can see this is your average monthly spend. This column shows what your total yearly spend is, and this shows what your finances will look like in 5 years from now. Over here you've got the monthly estimator, where you can make hypothetical changes, and it would reflect how your balance would look like in 5 years from now in this column over here. So you can see if you had this was your income of $1,800 and you earned £340 or dollars from YouTube with all these bills to pay, your remaining balance by the end of 5 years would be $35,580. If you got a promotion and you increase your salary to £2,000 a month after tax, you can see this roughly increases by £12,000 and your new balance would be £47,580. This is the January to June tab, where you can see your month-by-month spending. When you scroll down here, you can see your total income minus expenses, and it gives you a remaining balance to let you know if you're spending too much or if you've got money left over. And it uses a colour-coded system, either red or green, to show you if you're spending too much or not, so you can quickly see this at a glance. This tab is July to December, which is not filled in, but at the end of each month, then you will fill in the details, as you will know what you have spent. By the end of this course, you'll have learned all the skills you need to create something that looks like this for yourself, and it only takes around 30 minutes to do so.